2025 is the year of AI. Every small business owner I talk to is asking the same question. How can I use AI to work smarter and save time? The reality, small businesses don't need more apps. They need solutions that just work 24/7, without breaks, and without the usual headaches. And that's exactly where AI employees come in. Stick with me for the next few minutes and I'll show you why small businesses are lining up for AI employees and how you can be the one to bring them the solutions they desperately need. Let me ask you this. How many local businesses do you know that are drowning in calls, missed appointments, and overwhelming customer requests? The truth is, they're not looking for fancy tech. They want simple, effective solutions that free up their time and keep their business running smoothly. AI employees like chatbots and AI receptionists, they handle the repetitive tasks that steal their time. Things like answering FAQs, scheduling appointments, and following up with customers. Small businesses are begging for this kind of solution, and most don't even know it exists. Let's break it down. Imagine an AI receptionist that takes calls, books appointments, and follows up with customers without even needing a break. No more missed calls, no more scheduling headaches, just results. Whether it's filtering spam calls, sending reminders, or handling basic customer inquiries, AI employees work 24/7. Giving business owners peace of mind. And the best part, they're plug and play, meaning no complicated setup, just instant value. Look, people don't buy features, they buy solutions. Don't sell an AI chatbot. Sell the freedom of never answering the same question twice. Don't sell an AI receptionist. Sell the peace of mind of knowing their business is running smoothly even when they're asleep. Position AI employees as the ultimate business partners, ones that handle the busy work so entrepreneurs can focus on growth. I get it. Some business owners might be hesitant. They think AI is too complicated or too expensive. But here's the reality. AI employees are designed to be simple, affordable, and instantly valuable. And let me tell you, once they see the results, they never look back. So, how do you price AI services to make sure business owners say yes? Subscription-based pricing is the key to recurring revenue. Imagine earning monthly income while small businesses run smoother with AI employees. You're not just selling a tool. You're offering ongoing support, peace of mind, and results they'll gladly pay for. Want to start? Keep it simple. Tiered pricing based on business needs and growth potential. In 2025, AI employees aren't just a cool idea. They're a must-have for small businesses. And you can be the one to help them work smarter, save time, and focus on what they do best. Drop the word employee in the comments and I'll send you my free guide with the training and tools to help you get started selling AI employees today. Let's make 2025 the year you help local businesses thrive with AI, all while building your own recurring revenue machine. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.